Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, as you all know, I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and I'm still training people on how to make money on ClickBank affiliate marketing. So with this platform, you can make thousands of dollars from home weekly, and this is the account of one of my students that I've trained. Yes, he got my software and video course and has been using it to promote his affiliate product. And as you can see on the screen, this is excellent result. Like on a daily basis, he earns $600, $500, $400, and he's still doing fine. So one of the secrets behind this beautiful result is that for you to be a successful affiliate marketer, you need a strong traffic system. A traffic system, I mean a medium by which you promote your affiliate product or link to people or organic traffic online that are going to buy your product. And there are several ways by which you can do that. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is like paying digital platform like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create adverts for you, so that people can access your product through the adverts they've created for you. And another method is a free traffic system, whereby you get a software tool or a means by which you promote to people online. And that is what I call it, because I have a software, a free traffic software, which generates more than 2,000 organic traffic daily and promotes your affiliate product with this organic traffic for you to get commission. And with this software, I guarantee that you're going to earn this kind of results daily. Yes, because it's very efficient and it is also easy to use. If you are getting my software, and a video course is coming with the software, which will take you step by step on how to use the software to earn and other necessary information that you need to know. So to get my software and video course now and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Now to get my software and video course. So affiliate marketing has really changed the game for most of us, most people that have the right tool and knowledge on how to make money on affiliate marketing recently. So to be a successful affiliate marketer, the things you need to consider, one of it is that your affiliate marketing traffic source is standby and is strong. Yes, also my software, when you get my software is a free traffic software, which means after you've purchased it from me, you don't need to pay any other money to activate it. It's a lifetime free traffic software. I developed it myself because I'm a software developer. Yes, over the years, through my encounter with digital programs, I have several software which I've developed, and I'm still going to develop more we are still going to use more in the future to get excellent results from digital platforms and excellent results like this on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, also my software is not applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use my software to earn beautiful results like this on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVizu, Warrior Plus, and the likes. So contact me now on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.